This question is from a topic called cryptography. Okay, so in this cryptography, what happens? Each letter, each English letter is represented by a different digit, and we need to solve the given problem, right? So, for example, here we are given a addition problem where we are adding three numbers and we are getting the sum as 300. Now, using this problem, we need to find the value of C in this question. Okay, so let's see how we can find the value of C. We can write these three numbers in their expanded form. Let's see how. 100A plus 10B plus C plus 10A plus B, and the last number is itself a single digit number, so plus A is equals to 300. Correct. Now simplifying this further, we will get 111A plus 11B plus C is equals to 300. Correct. Now please see that here the value of A can never be 3 or more than 3. Yes. Why? Uh, if I substitute the value of A as 3, we will get 333, which will be more than 300, which is not possible. Okay, so that's why we can't substitute A as 3 or more than 3. Correct. That means we have the value of A as either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2 should be the value of A. Okay. Now let's go back to this equation again. Okay. Now in this equation, what will happen if we substitute the value of B and C as maximum? What can be the maximum value of B and C? These are single digit numbers. So the maximum value of B and C, maximum value of B and C can be, these are single digit numbers, so it can be 9. So I am assuming it to be 9. Correct? They both have to be different digits, but I am assuming as maximum value 9. Okay, I'm just assuming it can't be. It can't be same value, right? Now, what will happen if I take the value of B and C as maximum value? I will get the minimum value of A. I will get the minimum value of A if I take maximum value of B and C. Yes, if I take the maximum value of B and C, I will get the minimum value of A. Correct. Now, let's substitute the maximum value of B and C in this equation. Okay. Substituting the value of B and C as 9 in this equation, I will get 111A plus 99 plus 9 is equals to 300. Solving this further, we will get 111A equals to 300 minus 108, which will give us 192. Simplifying it further, we will get A as 192 upon 111, which is equals to 1.8 or nearly 1.9. It is nearly 1.9. Now, please see the minimum value of A is 1.8 or 1.9. Correct? This is the minimum value of A. Minimum value of A, because as I told you, we chose the maximum value of B and C, which gives us the minimum value of A. Now, if the minimum value of A is 1.8 or 1.9, right? Definitely I cannot choose one. Definitely here I cannot choose one. That means the value of A that we need to choose is 2. We will put A as 2. We'll substitute A as 2. Okay. Let's substitute A as 2. Now we will substitute A as 2 in this equation. What will happen? We will get 222 plus 11B plus C is equals to 300. Now simplifying this further, we will get 11B plus C is equals to 78. Now I can rewrite this equation as C is equals to 78 minus 11B. Okay. Now we know that C and B are single digit numbers. So let's see what can be the value of B and C. What can be the value of B? The value of B can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? But we cannot go beyond 7. Why? If I substitute the value of b beyond 7, let's say 8, it will be 78 minus 88. That will give me c as a negative number, which is not possible. Correct? All the numbers here are positive integers. Yes, single digit numbers. They can't be negative. So we can't go beyond 7. And out of all these values, please see, we can't use 0, because if I use 0, b as 0, I will get c as a double digit number, 78. That is not possible. Similarly, I can't use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, because if I substitute these values, if I substitute b as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, I will get c as a double digit number, which is not possible, because all letters represent single digit numbers here, right? So the only possible value of b here is 7. So let's substitute b as 7. What we will get, if we substitute b as 7, we will get 78 minus 77, which will give me c as 1. Okay. So our final answer is the value of c is 1. And you can actually verify this. How? Let's see. A is 2, b is 7, and c is 1. So a is 2, b is 7, and a is 2 again, right? Now we are adding these numbers. What we will get? We will get 300, which actually satisfies our question. Yes, which satisfies our question. I hope you enjoyed this question.